Okay, so hello, Sherry. I just wanted to share what I got in my Boxycharm and try a couple things on. So this month we got a little bitty box like this. Always comes with one of these. Shows you your products and how much they are. And on the back it says make waves. So I'm just gonna go in order on what we got in the box. And I just want to share it, and I'm gonna try a couple things on. The first thing we got in the box is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It says gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleans skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. All skin types approved. And it comes in a big tube like this. But I was looking at mine earlier and see it comes out. It didn't have a seal. So I don't know if that concerns anyone. 28 bucks. Cleanser slash makeup remover. I like Glam Glow, but I wish I would have had they'd give us another mask or something. Next thing here, Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And that's $18. And this is how it looks. I don't like the color. I don't care for these kind of, I'll try it on, but I really don't like these kind of colors. Mom! What? Mom. So that's the liquid lipstick. I don't know. I'm not a fan of the color, but it feels good. Dried down right away. Yeah, I don't know. It's a whatever, but I would wish I would have got like a nude. So that is $18. Yeah, it's definitely drying down right away. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadow. And it says, your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, and applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. It's really pretty. So we are going to try this on right now. Oh, and if I didn't mention, it says $22. Put it on. That is really pretty. Alright, I'm gonna blend this out. I mean, that is really pretty. Catches the light pretty good. I'm gonna throw some shadow on top of that. Just kind of blend it together. Actually, first I'm gonna throw some more on, cause it did kind of dimmed it like down a lot, blending it out. So maybe it can be built up. Okay, I used this for my eyes today too. I'm not sure. I think I got this in a Boxycharm. It's Ace Beauty, the Grandiose palette. It has some really pretty colors in there. So that's what I used today. I'm just gonna take some of this brown and some of this maroon. I don't know if I like that. Like, what are you supposed to do with it? I don't know. I'll have to keep trying to play with that, I guess. Let's just throw some on this one too while we're at it. It is pretty on its own, but I always like to try to blend out this. I don't know. You know what? Let's just let that dry. Let it dry down. I'm not a quitter. Let's just keep going. Let's add some more like we did on the other side. Put some on the bottom. Alright, whatever. We're just gonna leave that like that for now. Just for now. But I think this is really pretty. I would just have to learn how to work with it more. Yeah, I'll just have to keep trying. I'm gonna wait for this to dry down and I'm gonna try to see how it will blend out. So anyway, there's that. It says blend it out for sheer sparkle or applied over eyeshadow as a topper, so I don't know. We'll see if it'll let shadow blend out on top of it. The next thing, where on earth? Please don't tell me I lost it. Found it. Okay, so the next product I have here is from Mellow, and it's a brow definer. It says the non-greasy Easy Glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics brow definer brow pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game. The triangular tip makes for easy hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't budge. Comes in a little spoolie. I actually like the spoolie. It's like a chubby little spoolie, and I don't know, I like it. It's shorter little spoolie. I really didn't mind it. And then, but I don't know about the brow definer part because, see, it comes in like a triangle type, like that. And I used it, the sharp part kind of like, I tried to use it like for my hairs, to do the hairs. And yeah, it's just a little too thick to work with. But I did use it for the back end of my brow. I guess it's good to define. It seems alright. Yeah, I don't mind it. I don't mind the color, you know, for the back of the brow. I think it's pretty good. And it can help you get this part here easily, I suppose. It'll help you define the end of your brow, I guess. Plus, I was looking too. There's a lot of product, and you see how much you get. I'll put that away for it breaks. But yeah, I don't mind it. So that's Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer, $18 for this. And then last but not least is this Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Get your high blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery, smooth, high pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed blush without the damage of the X-rays. And this is $22 for this. I love the packaging. I think it's stunning. I wish it was an eyeshadow palette. I'd love to see an eyeshadow palette. I have one from Alamar, their eyeshadow palette, and oh my god, I loved it. It's awesome. So it comes with a little mirror and 3 blushes. Look how pretty they are. They're really pretty. So I'm gonna throw some blush on. The only thing I don't have on is the blush. See how they look. This is Castaway, Pereso, and Scorcher. And that's how they look. So I think I'm gonna put on the middle one, Pereso. Kind of put on some. I like a lot of blush. I'm not scared of blush. I actually really like it. Because, I mean, without makeup, I have, you know, a lot of redness. So I'm used to it. I don't try to run away from the redness. I actually like it. So there's Pereso. However you say that. And if you put too much on, take your foundation brush, whatever you use for foundation, and you can dim it down some. Dim it back down. And so I never worry about adding too much blush, because there's always a way to dim it down. Actually, I'm going to mix in some of this Castaway, just for the heck of it. It has shine to it too. Now, let's go back to the eyes and see if you can do anything with it. I'm just going to try to stamp it on. Yeah, I like the blush. And then as for that brow definer, I do like it. So that's my Boxycharm for this month. I don't really care for my box this month. Not trying to be negative, just being honest. There's just so much makeup out there. So much makeup out there. They should have sent us the Stila toppers instead of the Ciate London. I would like to see that. I would like to see either the Urban Decay Heavy Metals, or I would like to see the Stila Magnificent, whatever it's called. But yeah, other than that, this is my box for May. It's already May. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't believe how fast this school year is going by. My son only has, you know, a numbered amount of days of school left. And next, Carmen, my baby's going to be in school, which is going to be crazy. That's my box this month. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox it and watching me make this crazy looking eye look and seeing this lip color on me, which you probably will never see on me again. But yeah, thanks for coming, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. I'm out.